if you were trading SPY in here, even off your, your 434 level, it only broke through and then it dropped. And then it came back up and then it dropped. Then it stayed down, then it broke through and then it dropped. And then it broke through. You see what I mean? Like it was a mess. It didn't clean itself up till about right here, about this 11 o'clock mark. And that's when it just, the rest of the day went to the upside. But if you were caught within this first hour and a half, this was trash. Do you see it? That was tough. Yeah, it's one of those you got to be, just strong on your conviction and let it ride. But if you look at the overall trend, so this is where it touched this 433. And if you look at the overall trend line to the upside, obviously hindsight, but still, it only pulled back once here and then it was gone the rest of the day. See it?